Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is update number 111 of the Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio. And that is always a mouthful, but thanks for tuning in. Thanks for joining. Just before we get into the portfolio, I just want to thank everybody that's been following along the channel, subscribing. We are almost monetized, which is awesome. It's gonna be nice to be able to kind of roll those little bits of revenue that's coming in from this little channel into my TFSA as well. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for the likes on all the videos. It really helps out the channel. I do really appreciate it. Without further ado, let's get into the portfolio. All right, here we are in the TFSA. As you can see, we had a pretty decent day on the market, which is nice. It's nice to see that green coming back. Portfolio is still down a little bit in the red, but we're gaining this back. We'll show that in a little bit. Let's just go through. Let's just show how we're doing total value on the portfolio. BAM, that is the Brookfield Asset Management, just over one share, 1.633 shares. That's part of that StreamYard challenge. I do have a video on that you can check out on the channel. Up 13.28%, pretty good, $9.14 on that one. BEP.UN, that's Brookfield Renewables. This one still in the red, down 17.01%, $137.01 for BEP, 18 shares. This is one position that I do want to add into, just waiting for some, getting some extra funds to be able to put it into that. BN, this one was part of that StreamYard challenge at the beginning. Of course, the spinoff, as you know, sitting up though, it's up 3.89%, which is great. But going forward, I'm just going to be putting those monthly deposits into BAM. BTCY, Bitcoin has been doing good lately, up today quite a bit, which is nice, but we're still down on the portfolio. BTCY, 193 shares, down 13.37%, $104.71. If you've been following along the channel, you'll see on that one we were way down if you look at some of those past videos. So slowly adding to this position with those dividends that are coming in. So it's coming back up, which is nice to see. CMC, this one not doing well, as you know. We'll skip over that one. Haven't sold it yet. That's my end, my gentle reminder of my little bit of a gamble there, which I probably shouldn't have done. Diversified Royalty Corp. This one's awesome, up 10.7% on our 100 shares. This is the one I purchased for my 100th episode as a suggestion by the Coffee Crew from the live stream. Happy about that. 100 shares up $32. Very good one, that one. ETC, this is the Evolved Cryptocurrency ETF, Bitcoin and Ethereum, coming up as well. Haven't had a chance to be able to add any more funds to this one. I've been focusing on some other positions, but again, this one down 55.56%. That's unfortunate, but $740.99. We're seeing this one gain back a little bit. I do want to add to this position, but mainly been more focusing on BTCY in order to get those monthly dividends. Green Lane Renewables as well, down 53.06%. This one a long-term hold, down $679.28. We'll keep hanging on to that one. I will add to that position slowly but surely as well. Still some opportunity there. PSA, this is the one I've sold off some of the PSA. I was putting some of the regular deposits into this purpose high interest savings. As you can see, that's kind of just down a little bit, just under one share. That one will get our regular dividend coming through, but I use that opportunity. We'll share it a little bit later on what I actually purchased. RNW down 30.18%, unfortunately. I do want to add to this one as well, 56 shares. I still see they haven't changed their dividend, so I'm still, going to be carrying on and investing in this one. Keeping an eye on it, though. I know I did have a question from one of the viewers to do a bit more of a deep dive in this. I can take a look at that. This is something that I want to add to, but I think long term, as long as the dividends don't change, pretty good on that one. SOT.UN down 10.31%. Another one I'll be carrying on, putting the dividends back into this one. 133 shares, down though $67.85. TELUS down 2.32%. Again, regular, we'll reinvest the dividends, still buying this one. I do like TELUS, just over 24 shares, down $15.81. $15.81, just over, some fractions in there of a penny. And Tesla, this one is doing great. This is the one I sold off some of my Ryokan to buy, but also have added to this position with some extra deposits. 29 shares up 29.92%, $134.58, which is great. It's nice to see this green. VDY as well, up 6.81%, $215.88 on just over 76 shares. This one I'm buying that regular dollar cost averaging into VDY as part of my weekly deposits on the channel. And VFV up 1.26%. Nice to see this one back in the green. Just over 35 shares, up $43.59. Last two here is a new Yield Google is a new purchase. I sold off the rest of my RioCan and also used some of the PSA to purchase this. Purchased 13 shares, up just a little bit because it is kind of a new purchase, up 0.58%, $1.60. We're going to keep holding that one, see how hopefully these yield shares pay a decent dividend, hopefully carry on and be able to add to these positions as well as we go. And the last but not least, Yield Tesla, YTSL. This one has been a good decision to buy at this point when I sold off that RioCan, and we are up 57.69%, $291.46, which is awesome. 31 shares of YTSL. Let's go to the very top and we'll just see how the portfolio is doing in general now. Up today, had a decent day on the market. The market is now closed. It's a Wednesday when I'm filming this, up 1.25% today, $167.36. A nice day on the market today. That was nice to see. Up for the week, 0.87%, $117.02. On the month, up 5.7%, $730.07, and 3 months up 8.29%, $1,036.16. Now, unfortunately, we're going to see a bit of red on there. In the past year, down 5.12%, $730.51. So if you've been following on the portfolio, you can see we're gaining this back up, which is nice to see. And all-time a bit more, down 7.10% on the all-time in the portfolio of the TFSA, $1,033.94. All right, be sure to let me know down below how your portfolio is doing. I think we've had a kind of a good, decent few weeks, so I would love to have your comment down below. Let me know how yours is performing. If you've bought any new stocks, sold anything, what have you done? It's always interesting to hear what others are saying. On that note, it is great to have everybody that's been joining on the live streams. If you don't know, you've made it this far. I do live streams Monday to Friday, 8 o'clock a.m. Pacific time to about 8:45. It's kind of a good time to get on, talk about the market, talk about our investments, talk about our TFSAs, talk about RSPs, all that kind of good stuff. There's a great crew that is joining, and it'd be great to have you join along as well if you haven't already. And to everybody that does watch and watches on the replay, thank you. It really helps out the channel, and I really enjoy sharing all these updates and doing the live streams with you. Thanks so much, everybody. We will catch you in the next video, which will be a live stream tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock. Thanks so much. Have a great day.